I guess this is supposed to be our winter storm. It's not supposed to last very long. It has come down a lot since Ollie got home, I guess. It's not too bad though. I mean, the wind's not even blowing out there. Just trying to miss that car going by. It's not very cold out though. I mean, just above freezing, just 33 degrees. It's not too bad out there. I mean, I don't even have a coat on. It's really not that chilly out here. I gotta get something out of the freezer for dinner. But it keeps saying to watch out because we might have electricity going out and shit, so I guess. Well, I'm all ready anyways. I changed all the batteries out after last time, and still got our propane cook stove in here. The heaters are ready. Yeah, we're good. Have a good day. Love yous.